I didn't know if you still went to thrift stores.
Yeah, I just came out of one actually.
Today?
Yeah, I've been trying to find an old thrift or an old camera for a YouTube video. So we went to Clinton and looked at like 10 places, and then there was one like 10 minutes from downtown the whole time. So
yeah.
Whatever.
All right.
All right. Love you.
Bye.
No, love you back. That was cold. Yikes. Feeling it on this one. I think it was worth the $2.
What number is that?
Dude, like 45. We're heading into another thrift store to look for another camera. We've struck out on a few, but whatever. We're gonna give it our all here. So let's go. Kids these days swiping up all the film cameras. Psych, we found one! As the kids say, this is not it, cheap. Only like 5 minutes from where we started.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we hit a couple thrift stores this morning looking for a cheap camera, kind of just with the idea of with some Kodak Color Plus for $4, and then this Pentax IQ Zoom Easy S 38-70 we picked up for about $9. So just gonna kind of show and hope that we can make some cool photos for about $15 here. What? Oh no. Ha! All right, our camera works, I think. This is so cool. Never had a Zoom camera before. Can't quit doing meds are onto us, baby. They're like, that kid's sniping big heat with the Pentax IQ Zoom Easy S 38 to 70. Call it in, boys.